Oh, okay, cool. You're by yourself.
Yo.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Thanks, appreciate it.
No problem. Tight, bro.
I probably made a bad decision, good decision. We'll see.
No, I think you made an excellent decision.
Yeah, check it out. There it is. It doesn't have a rearview mirror. I gotta buy one of those.
Oh, yeah.
That's one thing I noticed later.
This is sick, dude.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's sat for a year, you said too, so it's just been chilling. There's a gas station right there, right? Like, did you see it right before the freeway?
I'll follow you.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Oh shit. Well, here it is. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Pretty excited about this. Let's see how this goes. All right, where am I gonna mount you guys? I guess that's cool.
Starting route to home.
I can't see anything. Good. I like this.
In half a mile, turn left onto Signature Drive.
Whoops. Alright, hopefully everything will be okay now. Can't see anything out of these windows. I just scraped the shit out of my front lip. Front's way too low on this car. But I like it. I like it. It looks the same from the outside, but it has this. So yeah, this one has a HR in it. From what I've seen on dynos and stuff, they make at least 20-30 more wheel horsepower than the regular DE. So that'll help for sure, especially because I'm trying to compete with it. Not saying that this can't, but that extra 20 to 30, trying to keep up with, you know, the JZs and V8s. That'll for sure help. Let's look at the interior. So yeah, the interior is clean. Why I noticed about HRs, or maybe even the 05 plus rev ups, I didn't really notice it, but everything feels different. Like these paddings for your knees or whatever, feels like that one doesn't have it. The cup holders right here, my 03 doesn't have that. So the interior is pretty clean. I like how it has manual seats, so they're lighter and they actually work. And it has cup holders right there in the door, which kind of sucks though, because when I get a cage, I think I have to take this part of the door panel off. Oh yeah, and this thing, see, like this is, my D doesn't have this cushion. It doesn't have the heated seats like the other one, so like I said, it's should be a little bit lighter. Oh, and these things, I guess these are in the newer Z's, this little extension thing, which is cool because the other one, it would like, this would like cut into my neck because it would be like super sharp, but since it holds it out a little farther, I mean, it still does, but not as bad. So need a chef boot. I guess the fan or the blower motor doesn't work. I could hear the AC turn on, and you could tell the idle changes when I press the AC on. So it seems like the AC is working. It's just the blower motor or fuse or something is not working, because when I turn it on, it doesn't do anything. These tints are super dark. They're like limo tint. Touchscreen head unit. And then what I noticed too, which is cool, which is I didn't know I had another charger right here, which isn't a big thing because there's this one. My D has that, this one, but like I might get rid of all this because of the when I put the cage. Yeah, you could run that somewhere else, but it's nice just to have two. Like this thing works too, which I know these break a lot, and I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a nitrous switch. That would be cool, but I don't want to mess with it because I don't know what it does or what it's for. And then, oh yeah, let's get the key. There it is, 156. So it's not too bad. It's high mileage, but it's not super high. Oh yeah, it's salvage title. That's why it's so cheap. Oh, that's why I didn't go over. Or maybe I won't tell you guys. You should comment below. Let me know how much you think I got this for. Salvage title, 156,000 miles. Yeah, I like that red line right there. Spin this all the way to 8. Hopefully, we'll see if it makes power up there. But it should be good. Oh yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to take this track. So this is that's another reason I want to document it is the cleanest it's gonna look. Let's see. But the paint is peeling though. You can see the clear coat's coming off. Right there, along here. Oh, it has this little dent in the door. Clear coat's peeling there. It's peeling right there, right here too. Gas cap. Ooh. That little nick. Where is it? Right here on these A-pillar things. But yeah, overall I can't complain though. I mean, it's a drift car. That's the whole purpose. It's not going to be, that's why I don't feel as bad messing it up, because it isn't perfect. But the fact that it's an HR, hopefully I don't baby it too much, which I don't think I am, because once I get on track I kind of don't think about all that. Make sure to like and subscribe, because on the next video I'm going to do about the little goodies I found on this car that I didn't even notice until after I got it home. And make sure to like and comment below on how much you think or probably should have paid for this car. It's a 2007 350Z HR with about 156,000 miles. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.